Case study method, that is one of the important data collection method in research. Case study is in-depth detailed investigation of a particular person, group or event, occasion or incident or accident or any other particular single event. In-depth detailed clear analysis of the particular event or program, that is called as case study. In this case study method particularly used in police departments like FIR, first investigation report. So gathering of data collection through this case study method in different observations like interview, questionnaire, etc. Through various observations, data can be collected through this case study method. A case study is a comprehensive study of a social unit of society, which means be a person, a family group or institute, commonly or event, that is called as case study method. Case study focuses attention and a single unit thoroughly. Particularly, case study studied single event thoroughly. Clear analysis about the single event or single program, that is called as case study method. So before that, what for we are choosing case study method? So the main reasons for choosing case study method. Always prove your thoughts with well marked examples. Provide schemes and graphs for every important statement through this case study method. That's why this case study method choosing by the researchers. And carefully separate important information from irrelevant details. There is possibility to careful separation of irrelevant details through case study method. That is only possibility through case study method. The super fluids of facts and notes. There is possibility to know about the facts and there is a possibility to explain about the facts in this case study method. And another reason. So we can explain about the single event or single incident clearly without any doubt or without any hesitation through this case study method. And definitions of case study method. Good and Hatt, according to him, it is a method of exploring and analyzing the life of a social unit. It is a method of exploring, analyzing the life of a social unit, that is called as case study method, according to Good and Hatt. And C.H. Cooley, according to him, case study depends our perception and gives clear insight into life directory. Case study depends our perception and gives clear insight into life directory, according to Cooley. And P.V. Young, according to him, case study is a change through comprehensive study of a social unit, be it a person, a group of persons, an institution, or a community, or a family. That is called as case study method.